What's up, everybody? Here it is, the Club Car Tempoe 2020. This one here, it's got the rear flip seat on it. So this is a 4-passenger, and it also does have a brand new light kit on it installed. So brand new flip seat, brand new lights. And this one here also, you've got your flip windshield. Again, your flip seat here right in the back. And of course, in the back, it also has your brake lights. Comes with the charger. You can also just pull this right here, your flip seat, put your cooler on there, bring it right to the beach. Guys and gals, we can ship these nationwide right to your front door. You call us up today. Phone number here, 866-606-3991. Again, the Club Car Tempoe 2020. Now this is a 48-volt system here. And you've got your used batteries. They are Trojans. Now we can install brand new batteries for an additional fee. All you got to do is check out the website here to see the updated sale price. And again, we can auto transport these right to your home or business anywhere in the USA. Call us today. Again, Safer Wholesale, 866-606-3991. And this one here, fully automatic with reverse. Gas and go. Simple to drive. Cruises about 15 miles per hour here. Good fun. Turns on a dime. And like I said, we can ship them nationwide right to your door. Electric, plugs into 110 regular wall outlet, just like your toaster, no problem at all. Calls today, again, Safer Wholesale, and we'll ship them nationwide with your parking brake right there to your door.